I'm chasing my dreams.
Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into the essentials you need to start trading effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your trading skills, these key components will set you on the right path. First things first, knowledge is power. Before you dive in, educate yourself about trading concepts, strategies, and market analysis. Consider online courses, ebooks, and reputable trading communities to build a strong foundation. A reliable trading platform is your gateway to the markets. Choose a platform that suits your trading style and offers features like real-time charts, technical indicators, and order execution. Having sufficient capital is crucial. Determine how much you're willing to invest and only use funds you can afford to lose. Remember, trading involves risk, so be prepared for both gains and losses. Mitigate risk by implementing proper risk management strategies. Set stop-loss and take profit orders to limit potential losses and lock in profits. This step is essential to protect your capital. Develop a trading plan that outlines your goals, strategies, risk tolerance, and trading schedule. Stick to your plan to avoid emotional decisions and impulsive trading. Successful trading requires analysis. Conduct both technical and fundamental analysis to identify potential trade opportunities. Stay updated with market news and events that might impact your trades. Maintaining discipline and managing emotions are often underestimated aspects of trading. Greed and fear can cloud judgment. Stay objective and stick to your trading plan. Practice makes perfect. Before using real capital, practice trading on a demo account to refine your skills and gain confidence. Patience is key, as mastering trading takes time. In summary, starting trading requires education, a reliable platform, adequate capital, risk management, a solid trading plan, analysis skills, emotional discipline, and patience. Remember, success in trading is a journey, not a race. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips. And help by commenting by what you would like us to talk about in our future content. Share with us your trading experience. Happy trading!